Envision a treehouse in Indianapolis with a garage, a swimming pool, and absolutely no yard to mow. Well, technically it's a condo, but wait till you see where it sits. This third-floor condo offers 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, vaulted ceilings, and the open concept. A bonus, we have this wonderful den with built-in bookshelves, so for when that moment comes that you want to read your favorite book, right here you can be. So if you're looking for a treehouse in Indianapolis, this is the condo for you. You know what to do. Call me.